Welcome to Wise Agent. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the virtual setup of your Wise Agent account step by step, so you can start using your CRM with confidence right away. If you're not ready to add certain details, no worries. You can always skip a step and come back to it later. Let's start by setting up your personal profile. Here, you'll enter your job title, any professional designations using the proper industry abbreviations, your NRDS ID, and upload your profile picture. Once everything looks good, continue to the next page. From here, you'll enter your company information, including your company name, office address, and website. Then choose your brand colors and upload your company logo. These details help brand your account and will be used throughout Wise Agent, including your email signatures and marketing tools. Next, you'll add your social media profile links. To do this, go to each social media profile and copy the full URL. Paste those links into the fields on this page, then continue. Moving on this page, you'll set up your email signature. Choose your preferred template and your profile details will be entered automatically. Click the green text to customize it now or select Continue to come back to it later. You can edit your email signature at any time by going to the settings icon on the top right corner of your profile, then Email Signatures in your Wise Agent account. Make sure your email address has been verified for sending. If you use a private email domain, you'll need to request DNS records to add Wise Agent as a verified email sender on your domain's behalf. This will help ensure strong deliverability for your emails sent from within Wise Agent. Next, it's time to set up your team. If you're a solo agent, select Individual Agent and continue. To set up Wise Agent for your brokerage, please contact us directly at 480-836-0345 to discuss our enterprise solutions. If you manage a small team, Wise Agent allows you to add up to 4 additional team members to your CRM at no additional cost, for a total of 5 team members, including the main account holder. By default, inside team members work from a shared Wise Agent account, use the same login credentials, and have full access to your database. If you would like to limit permissions for 1 or more team members, you can purchase a separate login with customizable access for an additional cost of $20 per team member per month. When you're ready, set up your inside team by entering their names and email addresses. From there, you can choose whether to upgrade a profile and provide that team member with their own login. Once completed, your inside team members will be added to your Wise Agent account, and they can edit their own profile details by going to Settings, then Profile. If you need to add more team members beyond the initial 5, you can purchase additional inside team members with full access for $20 per month per group of 5 team members. Next, let's get your contacts added into Wise Agent. First, let us know where your list is coming from by choosing one of the options below. If you do not see your source listed, select Other. We recommend adding a category during the import to tag your contacts and keep them organized and easy to find later. Once you upload your file, it will be sent directly to our member support team so they can properly upload your database for you. For a faster update, please reference Wise Agent's example CSV file and organize your columns in that order. Next, let's connect your online lead sources. Wise Agent integrates with hundreds of popular real estate platforms, making it easy to bring all your leads into one place. Once connected, new leads will automatically be added to your Wise Agent contact list. Click the platforms you currently are using to collect leads and continue. Depending on the platform, you'll either copy your unique Wise Agent lead capture email or paste an API key to complete the connection. Click on the instructions to find out how to finish setting up your lead sources. Once you've finished connecting your lead sources, you'll want to set up your lead rules. Lead rules are built-in automations that trigger the moment a new lead enters your CRM from one of your lead sources. The default lead rule applies when a lead enters Wise Agent from a source that doesn't have a specific rule set for that source. You can choose to automatically send a welcome message, add the lead to your call list, or notify yourself instantly. This creates instant follow-up and helps ensure every lead receives an immediate response. And that's it. Your Wise Agent account is now set up and ready to go. If you have any questions or need help along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team. We're available 24/7 and always happy to help. Thanks for watching and welcome to Wise Agent.